Good girl. Do you get her a lot of treats? Okay, so I'm going to show off Alyssa's tree. Alyssa and Alex's tree. But I'm pretty sure Alyssa probably decorated most of it.
I did nothing.
It's so beautiful. I love it. It's like candy theme, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then all her other decorations.
That's not part of it.
These are all so cute. And then cute baby. With 100 balls.
100 balls?
100 balls. I'm gonna do it my hair. This is so cute. Oh, this is cute too. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's her decoration.
Some giving day is that the back of my tree is completely naked.
Is it?
It doesn't look like it, though.
I went to Hobby Lobby
Doesn't matter.
and I bought things,
You
right?
can't even tell from over here.
Not
You
knowing
do it.
because I've never decorated my own tree before.
Yeah.
So I think I got like 2 packs of these, 2 packs of these, a bunch of these, 4 packs of these, and it literally only decorated like half. And then I tried going back to Hobby Lobby, and of course everything's sold out. That's
sold
why I went to like 3 different times. And they
Oh my gosh. Well, it looks really beautiful.
Why do they decorate
from
the
the
back?
front
Why do they decorate the back?
for my neighbor.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do something really cool today.
Where's the stare
Yeah.
at? I have the light over here. It's kind of.
Oh, the light, because I need the light to be close.
Okay,
So
so
we're staring at the camera though, right?
Yeah, you
Okay.
understand.
the boom mic.
Wait, when is 1, 2, 3?
All right, guys,
That's the clap.
I'm here with Alyssa, Alex,
Hello.
Ryan, myself, and then baby's on, you know, you'll hear the baby. We're gonna do a taste test today. We thought this is actually gonna be during Vlogmas, so we're tasting Christmas treats.
Cool.
So what do you guys want to taste first? We have, I think, 5, we have a drink too, so we'll do that at the end.
You pick first.
So there's a lot of peppermint. There's JoJo's, which is kind of like an Oreo, but Trader Joe's. We have the gingerbread people. Do you want to try that one first?
Let's try gingerbread people.
Okay, so this is gingerbread people, and it is gingerbread cookies with white fudge icing. There you go.
Okay, let's grab it in.
They smell really good. Yeah, they smell really good.
This is gonna be good. I can't really tell.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
I like how everyone took off their head.
We all go for the head, huh?
Oh, we're mean.
I like these.
They're good.
I think the icing adds to it, actually.
Yeah.
But it's pretty much just like a regular gingerbread cookie with like the icing on the top. But it's pretty good.
White fudge icing.
Oh. Do you taste the white fudge?
Yeah.
I think
Pretty
these are good.
Really good.
I'll put these at number 1 for now.
You're ready
That's a
enough?
good idea.
Yeah. And then we can go
You're good.
based on that.
So it goes from 1 down to 6?
Yes. Your turn. You can pick it on.
No.
Alex. Wait, didn't you pick this one?
Wait.
I'll take that one.
You pick.
Go back to the camera.
agree.
Rewind. Rewind. Who picked this?
I'll pick the Netflix.
Yeah.
What's good?
I haven't had any of these.
That's why it's a test. Taste
That's
test.
good.
Pick one.
I'm gonna take this one. Hot cocoa.
Cake
Cake
bites.
bites.
I'm actually excited for these. I saw these at the store. And I'm like, I wonder if, like, what differentiates them from, like, just plain chocolate or chocolate, hot chocolate,
Yeah,
you know?
'cause it's hot cocoa.
I'm doing a horrible job of opening these up. I think there's two in there.
The 2 for.
We'll share this one.
Cool.
I'm pretty excited for these.
Oh, they're so cute. They come in these little, like, packs with little elf on
Oh,
them.
and you can put a message on them.
Oh, so like up on the
Oh,
shelf.
for the present? 3 pieces.
3 pieces.
Mm.
Snowball sprinkles, chocolate coating, chocolate cake, chocolate cream, and marshmallow flavored cake.
Yeah.
Oh, Aubrey wants a piece.
Aubrey wants to try.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, yeah. Mmm.
Here, I'll help you.
These are bomb. These are really good. No? I'm the only one
You like them?
really likes these.
They're good.
I like them.
But I think I like.
Yeah.
Those
These
better?
Almost
I
same.
think
But I think it's just like me, because like a. I don't know.
I'm a chocolate
These
person.
ones are- these
so
are
I really
better.
like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're 2 and 2.
Oh, I don't know.
They like them.
I don't know. Aubrey likes them.
So good.
They're really dense.
I'm okay with putting these second for now. Are you okay with doing that, Alyssa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I feel like we need
You know.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want more?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. She's signing more.
Oh, really?
You want
Aubrey.
more?
Oh.
Yeah, she loves them.
Maybe they should go in the front.
No, huh? That's good. These are really, really good. I can eat
Yeah.
the whole box, I think.
Yeah.
The gingerbread reminds me of those animal cookies.
Yeah. Go with that.
Oh, yeah. But with the ginger, like the
Yeah.
cinnamon taste. Your turn.
My turn?
Yeah, I know which one you're gonna choose.
What am I gonna choose?
The Oreo candy canes.
I was gonna choose that.
Because you picked them at the store.
Yeah.
Spoiler.
You want these ones?
No.
Here, let's start opening those, but we'll taste something in between. How about that? Because
Try
those
these
will take these will take a while to
What
open.
are these?
Oh, because they're candy.
Peppermint
Meringues.
meringue. No, I can change the flavor of that.
Their lips.
Guilty.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So peppermint meringues. They smell a little weird.
Oh, they're light.
I know, it's weird. It's like a fortune cookie.
Toss
Oh,
them in
What is
there.
it?
Yeah, like a.
Yeah.
It's like styrofoam.
Yeah.
It's like packing peanuts.
It is.
Yeah.
There's like no weight on them. All right.
Do it. Oh, that's good.
Oh. They're so light. Oh, do you want to try peppermint?
They're good. They taste like those mints, like those fancy mints.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Like what?
Those mints that you
Yeah.
get at restaurants.
The texture though, like,
It dissolves in your mouth.
yeah.
Like styrofoam.
I've never eaten styrofoam. Sorry.
You're missing out.
No, but
It just kind of like disappears in your mouth, huh?
Yeah,
It
it's like,
starts to like melt.
yeah, it's like the restaurant mint, but it's like super. It's weird. It's like really
I
dense.
kind of feel like I need another.
Me too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you need another
So-
one?
Ah, try it again.
It's
Yeah.
so interesting.
But they're super light. That's the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like,
I think they're just made off of egg whites too. Yeah, egg whites. Cane sugar and egg whites. So where are we?
I still say that, yeah. That's 3 now, huh?
yeah, it's 3.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, so let's open up our Oreo candy canes.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Did you like the peppermint? You still working on it? Okay, so this is Oreo. Do you feel like it's gonna really taste like Oreos, guys?
I have no idea. Let's try it out though.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, instant with chocolate.
You don't bite this, right? You have to, like,
You know
like
what?
thinking about
That's
like it first.
actually an argument people have. Like, do you
you start biting it like a
bite it or do you just suck on it? I'm
Like
a
a Tootsie
sucker.
Roll.
yeah, the Tootsie Roll.
It's a Tootsie Roll.
Yeah, it is. Oh, Aubrey, okay, sorry.
She's like, it's
Done.
mine now.
At least I got a taste.
Yeah, I don't like this.
I like
It's
the
a Tootsie Roll.
It's a Tootsie Roll.
Just
Yeah.
regular candy cane is better.
I'm a fan
Yeah.
of Tootsie
Yeah.
Rolls, but I like to like chew.
Mm-hmm. We have what?
Yeah, the floor.
Like the bottom one?
Yeah, we know the bottom one.
Okay.
Number 6.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Just like leave the candy cane alone. Don't get
Yeah.
into Oreo.
No, exactly.
Fine by itself.
Well, they had different ones. They had this one. They had also like a Sour Patch Kid one.
Ooh.
Oh.
See, that sounds pretty good.
Alright, so the next one we're going to try is dark chocolate covered peppermint creams. That's what it looks like. The box is cute, that's why I picked it out.
Pretty good.
Oh, yeah, Trader Joe's. All of these are Trader Joe's except for the hot chocolate. That one I got at Walmart.
And the Oreos. Oreo candies are not
Oh,
from
yeah.
Trader Joe's.
They're from Winco.
Peppermint cream.
Dark chocolate covered
Soft,
peppermint cream.
creamy, and minty bites.
And get it out.
If you push the
Oh.
bottom.
Push the bottom.
Oh my gosh. Sorry.
It's okay. No, you're
It's
good.
his fault.
So the wrapping, I don't know, the way it came.
Is that gonna
Is that
affect
Yeah.
the taste
Point?
of the...
Yeah. I do like the little purple things in there.
It's not easy to get my candy out.
Oh, you know, I think it's peppermint, like actual
Oh.
minty. Sorry,
She's waiting.
Yeah, it's really minty.
Here, Mom, take this, and then I'm gonna have your other one.
Alright, ready?
Ready. Oh,
Where'd you go? Oh, you took it?
I
I like it. It's interesting. I wasn't expecting it to be this chewy.
like this.
I don't really want you to have.
It's like a York
It's
peppermint
really
patty
chewy.
rolled with.
This one's too chewy. Here, here's your candy cane.
I like
Too
those.
chewy for you.
Yeah.
No opinion?
Oh, it's weird.
Yeah. I think this is
Here's
the
some
last.
up to you.
It's like a peppermint
No,
patty.
So far, this is number one, right?
Yeah.
2, 3.
4.
Yeah. I think this is 4 for me.
Okay.
I don't know. What do you think, Angie?
I really like it.
Yeah.
I like it more than these.
Yeah. Me too. Because there's chocolate in it.
The peppermint ones by themselves, they're kind of, you just kind of snack on. It's like super light.
Mm-hmm.
And these ones are really chewy and dense.
So it's like you can't have more than one. Like,
Okay, I agree. You can't
No.
have more than one.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, yeah, I'm okay now.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think Alex and I are the same way. Like, we like these because you can't have more than
You can eat the whole box.
Like, you get the whole box. You get the whole container. And it's like munching when you're watching a
Yeah,
movie.
exactly.
These ones, you're like, okay, you have one, you're pretty much good.
Yeah.
Back in the day, you're
It's
good
like
for
a
day.
dessert.
Yeah. That's more of a dessert.
There you go, yeah.
Alright, next are the classic JoJo. So these are ultimate favorite. Like everybody that goes to Trader Joe's during the season, they want to get these. 'Cause
Everyone?
Apparently they're really good. So let's
But
see.
you've never tried it?
I've never tried them, no.
I like how like small it is too. I'm so used to getting the family size Oreo pack. You know, like I'll get the big one. I'm like, wow, this is.
How's your candy cane?
Is it good?
Is it number 6 for you?
Closer.
Oh.
She's like
She
me.
likes it.
Like, what's that?
You don't know it?
I need to get away from you real quick. No! Can I try
Okay, so how do you eat these then? You open it?
Oh, how do you guys eat an Oreo?
I always open
She opens
it,
it.
and then I eat just the chocolate by itself, and then I save the part for last.
I use milk usually, like the.
It does
milk.
it?
I do too.
Yeah.
I dunk it and then I eat it like this.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't open them.
Okay.
Do you?
Aubrey's gonna
You
be
do?
Sometimes
sugar
I'll eat
high.
like, I do too.
I'm gonna eat it as a cookie.
I do like one by itself and then.
I'm gonna just eat half of it because Aubrey took the other half.
They're pretty good, but they're not like, oh my god,
Yeah.
these are amazing.
I wonder if it's because we had it
Yeah.
these right
Yeah.
before it just
This-
tastes so plain.
It's like, what am I eating?
Yeah.
But you do get the like minty like
Yeah.
freshness of it.
I think it's still.
Right away.
Yeah, this kind of. It's a big difference.
So-
This one kind of ruined it.
Yeah.
So these ones give you like a punch of just like peppermint. Super strong peppermint flavor. Really, really, really strong. And then when you go to the Oreos or the JoJo's,
Yeah. These ones. I like it
More?
better than like,
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
Wow.
these are number 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm okay with
5,
that.
6, yeah.
Alright, there's one more, but it's
Yeah.
a drink. You wanna get it?
Do we need ice?
No, I think
Or
it'll
should
be
we-
cold.
Okay.
So for some reason, pomegranate, did you guys know pomegranate is like the Christmas flavor?
No.
No, I had no idea.
Yeah, so I didn't know that either. But I found this sparkling pomegranate punch beverage. Do you guys like pomegranate?
I don't even know.
I don't think so. Wait, that's like the fruit where you like.
And there's all those seeds. in
The
it.
seeds, yeah.
You guys have a
tree, huh?
No.
I was thinking after the video
Oh, look at that,
we
cool.
can mix soju with it.
Oh.
Because it's
And
sparkling.
then also,
So
I'm
this is
gonna
actually alcohol
show
then.
No, it's not. It's not.
everyone-
No,
alcohol.
just 2?
Let's just choose. We can share
one.
one.
Per couple? Or no?
Yeah. Do you guys want your own or you guys want to share?
We could share because I don't know.
I'll drink it.
Okay.
I'm not picking.
And then
Alright.
also we need to get Aubrey's face on camera afterwards.
Yeah.
The mess right now.
Yes.
Let's give her
Wait, why? She's chocolatey?
Yes.
let's give her everything.
Yeah. Oh, she give her. Yeah.
Oh, we
Sit her up
should.
here and just give her everything.
Oh my gosh, sugar high.
Yeah, I was gonna crash.
Ooh.
It smells good. It smells good.
It smells like the
Yeah.
Mario drink.
The witch
The
drink?
Mario drink?
Mario drink.
Did you guys ever have the Mario drink when you were little? It
Mario.
was like it came in a little can.
Like Mario Brothers?
Mm-hmm. Mario Brothers, and then you would look inside, and there was a design on the bottom.
No.
No.
Oh my
We
gosh!
were the proud
Tell,
children,
Yeah, it's a.
apparently.
you guys have to tell me in the comments if you guys remember the Mario drink. Here, you go first. No.
You don't think you like it?
No.
It's pretty good.
Oh, this is good.
I like it.
It's not too flavory. Like it's like mild flavor.
No.
No.
Well,
No. With soju maybe.
Is it worse than the
I feel like
Oreo?
the fizz going in my nose.
No.
So Oreo is the worst one.
Yeah, Oreo's the worst one.
Make sure she doesn't-
I think
Yeah, that's. Yeah, it's the worst.
it's a different flavor. That's the whole thing. It's not chocolatey. It's
Yeah.
more, it's just a little bit different. I would probably put it maybe after. It's not bad. Maybe over here somewhere
Before the JoJo's?
before the JoJo's.
Okay.
I think the JoJo's and the Oreo
It's
candy
funny
canes.
because I feel like I'm only gonna eat these, huh? You know me.
I know you. But
Yeah,
you would
I
probably
wouldn't-
also eat the Oreos though.
No.
No?
No, I was like really like I was like, man, I want a regular Oreo instead. I was really like getting disappointed with that. I was like, oh no, this is no good.
So JoJo's wanted.
And I like these. They're pretty
Okay.
good.
Yeah. I kind of agree. Like these two are kind of like the stuff that I can eat all the time.
Yeah.
The rest of them are kind of like, okay, I'm at a Christmas party. Like I'll have
Yeah,
like a
I'll have-
taste or whatever.
Mhm.
But no. So yeah, that is the video. I'm gonna show you guys a clip after of Aubrey because she has chocolate all over her face.
And she's getting chocolate all over the couch.
Yeah. But thank you
okay.
guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so
Yeah.
much for
No.
Thank you.
tasting
Thank you.
these. And yeah, we'll see you guys later.
Yay,
Bye.
bye.
Hi. Did you like the snacks?
You say
She
hi?
was
Hi.
very present
Hi.
when the food came out.
Say hi.
Hi. Can you wave hi?